Check out what we have here at Unique, especially in classics. Definitely not going to see one of these every day. 1969 Pontiac Trans Am. Yes, real deal Trans Am. One of 114 produced with the L74 and automatic transmission, so 400 YW block underneath the hood, Ram Air 3. That is paired up with a numbers matching TH400 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. This is original D80 spoilers car. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome around the grille, headlight surrounds, bright work up front, looking good. There's that factory metal Ram Air hood, cameo white, blue interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, and check out the floor pans in the pictures on the underside. You're going to see the engine bay, interior trunk. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division, rally wheels. Polyglass bias ply tires for that authentic look. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There's also a write-up sheet on this car, some of the information on it, a little placard board, and you're going to see that in the still pics also. So like I said, take your time looking through those still pics. There's more information on the car in there. And as you can see, these panels nice and straight, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. According to the previous owner, believed to be original interior. Of course, blue vinyl bucket seat, center console. There's that automatic shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And of course, Jason's going to take this one for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Dual exhaust from front to rear. Did mention stereo was in op. There is PHS documentation on this car. You're going to see that in the still pictures. Again, a D80 spoiler car. Front and rear, you're going to be able to see that cowl tag in with the still pictures too if you want to do any decoding on that. It has a ZH code rear end, so 355 gears and a safety track. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Pontiacs, Trans Ams, muscle cars, any of those, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here's a prime example. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor. There you can see the placard board in the background. There'll be a close-up in the still pics. You can see this driver's side. Looks as good as the passenger side. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a nice shine to it. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that. I'm going to take home some trophies. This one will do it. Let me turn that key cylinder so that warning chime doesn't keep going off. Door panels looking good. Of course, you're going to have two belts, one for the lap belt, one for the shoulder belt. Vinyl looks good. Headliner also. I think we need to fire this up. Again, YW block, 400 V8, Ram Air 3 dash. Door closes nicely. This car has a great sound to it. Alright, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. check out the engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There it is, underside of the hood. Very stock looking. A lot of the original markings. You can see in the cowl, hood. And again, there is PHS documentation on this. There's also pictures of the cowl tag, the VIN, stamping on the transmission. All that will be in the still pictures. And any questions, feel free to call. Consult with a sales associate. Number to call is 507-386-1726. Real deal, 1969 Pontiac Trans Am. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful and rare 1969 Pontiac Trans Am in the iconic white with blue stripes, blue interior. We have some wood grain on the center console, automatic shifter down there on the center console. Amazing car, let's go drive it. I would say it accelerates as you would expect. Strong pulling from this car. It's an automatic, so just put your foot down and feel the torque. The speedometer is working. We have a clock to the right of that, also working, counting the seconds. Our temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauge reads completely full. And the oil pressure is approximately 60 pounds. That's all looking good. Wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works. Beautiful interior, very nice paint on the outside. Road manners are good. The horn is working. PMD on the center of that steering wheel for Pontiac Motor Division. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane, as it should. We've got bias ply original style tires on this car. It is very much a time capsule of a vehicle. Comfortable factory looking bucket seats in this car. Corners really well. It's actually quite flat. The stabilizer bars they put on Trans Am doing their job, as is the throttle. Very fun to push the throttle down on this car. Sounds great. Not every day I get to drive one of these, and it is a fun car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1969 Pontiac Trans Am at UniqueClassicCars.com.